Hi everyone, this is Miss Alicia and happy May. Oh my gosh, even if it doesn't necessarily look like it outside, it is May, it is springtime, and I am so excited to show you our last take-home kit before we start summer reading. And it's a really fun one, so let's get right into it because this one might take a little bit longer than some of the other ones. We are making slime this month. So you should have hopefully picked up your kit. If you haven't, Helen Warner Branch is closed for this month, but you can come downtown to the children's room and pick up your kit. It's going to look like this. And inside we have our direction sheet as always. We have a large bottle of shampoo. You're going to use a little bit of this for slime and then do what you want with the rest of it. Make more slime, use it to wash your hair, whatever you want to do. But there's a bottle of shampoo, and then there is a slime container that you can put your finished slime in, and inside of it are all the other ingredients you need. You should have a thing of cornstarch. You should have some beads, so like little fishbowl beads. You should have a bag of mica powder, and you should have some glitter. And these three things, looks like I have like a bit of a Frozen theme going on with this one. But those three things we are going to use to jazz up and decorate our slime, so you can use them if you'd like. You don't have to, it's up to you. And then what you are going to need besides these things that is not included in your kit, you're going to need some water. I have water bottles, but you know, if you can get away with not using plastic, that'd be great. I have water. You're going to need some measuring cups and spoons. You're going to need some sort of bowl or something to mix in. And you're going to need a spoon and your hands. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've got my mixing bowl here, and the first thing you're going to do is put half a cup of shampoo and a quarter cup of cornstarch into the bowl. So we need our quarter cup and our half cup. So I'm going to do the shampoo first. Alright, so we're going to do half a cup of shampoo, and this shampoo smells really good. So you're going to have good smelling slime. Alright, there's my half a cup of shampoo. I'm going to just put it all right in the bowl. If you need to use like a spoon or a spatula to get the last little bit out, you can. I think that's what I'm going to do if I can get this open. Yeah. Get that all out of there. This smells like green apple. It smells really nice. Some of you will have green shampoo, and I think some of you will have pink strawberry shampoo. Okay, and then you need a quarter cup of cornstarch. Here's my quarter cup, but actually this is about a quarter of a cup, so I'm gonna just dump it all in. Take the lid off, try not to make a mess. Okay, there goes my cornstarch. Now you're going to take a spoon, mix it up really well. It should already be feeling kind of doughy or slimy. Mix this until it's a good consistency. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to add a tablespoon of water. So you need your tablespoon. Tablespoon is the TBSP, not the TSP. It's the bigger one. So we're gonna take our tablespoon. We're gonna add a tablespoon of water. And then we're gonna stir. Might foam up a little because it is shampoo, but that's okay. Okay, now we are going to do that 5 more times. So, 1, and you're gonna stir between each one. Let's lose my spoon. All right. Stir this up. And then now is when you would add all your like mix-ins. So I'm gonna just go for it. I'm gonna add all of them. So we're gonna take glitter, put that in there, love it. Mix that up. Then I'm gonna take the mica powder, put that in there, stir that up. Then just for fun, I'm gonna add the beads too. Okay, then what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna sit here and do it because it would take too long. You're gonna knead your dough. Now, this dough is a little bit runny. What you might find is that you need more cornstarch. We couldn't give you all a whole bag of cornstarch, but if your slime looks a bit runny like mine, you're gonna wanna add some more cornstarch. You can find it at any grocery store in like the baking aisle. It's really cheap. But you're gonna wanna add some more cornstarch till it starts to thicken up again, and then you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna knead it like bread dough for around 5 minutes. And you want it to stop being sticky. If it's still sticky, you're gonna add more cornstarch. But I'm not gonna make you wait. I'm gonna show you. This is a finished slime that I made last week. So it's dried out a little bit, and it's turned into more of like Play-Doh at this point. But you want it to look a little more like this, like a fluffy slime and not a soupy mix. So experiment with it. You might have to add more cornstarch. You might have to add more water if it's feeling too thick. But at the end, you should have something that looks sort of like this. And then you can put it in your container and you're all done. So that is our May kit. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get to make some cool, really good smelling slime. And make sure you are following us on Facebook, following us on Instagram. Check our website, check our Facebook page. We have a lot of really fun, exciting things coming up this summer. We do have a summer reading program for teens, 5th grade and up again this year. The prizes are very cool. Your reading log is a bingo card. And we have a few really fun programs coming up in June and July just for teens, including an after-hours lock-in that we're very excited about. So like I said, make sure you're following us, make sure you check our page, make sure you grab a brochure for summer reading when they come out, because we would love to see you this summer. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful May, and I will see you next month. Bye.